choosing the right air fryer isn't as simple as it seems. With so many models on the market, it can be hard to know which one actually delivers. Whether you're looking for something compact, powerful, or perfect for family cooking, the right choice really depends on your needs. So in this video, we've selected some of the best air fryers available right now, based on performance, features, and overall value. Let's take a closer look. Starting off at number 5, we have the Instant Vortex Plus. This air fryer is a great all-rounder, offering a nice balance of performance and versatility. It comes with multiple cooking functions, allowing you to air fry, roast, bake, broil, and reheat with ease. One of its standout features is how evenly it cooks food, giving you that crispy texture without overcooking. The controls are simple and intuitive, making it a great option for beginners. Overall, this is a reliable choice for everyday cooking. Coming in at number 4, the Cosori Air Fryer. This model has become incredibly popular, and for good reason. It features a sleek, modern design along with a user-friendly interface that makes cooking simple and convenient. With multiple preset options, you can prepare a wide range of meals without any guesswork. The larger basket size also makes it ideal for families. Overall, it offers excellent value for the price. At number 3, we have the Ninja Air Fryer. This air fryer focuses on performance, speed, and everyday convenience. It heats up quickly and delivers crispy, evenly cooked food in less time, compared to many other models. One of its biggest advantages is its compact design, making it perfect for smaller kitchens or limited counter space. But despite its smaller size, it's surprisingly powerful. The controls are simple and easy to use, making it great for beginners. And overall, it delivers reliable performance for everyday cooking. At number 2, the Philips Essential Air Fryer. This model is known for its premium build quality and consistent performance. It uses advanced air circulation to cook food evenly while using very little oil. The result is healthier meals without sacrificing taste. If you're looking for something reliable and long-lasting, this is a great option. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer. What makes this model stand out is its dual basket design. You can cook 2 different foods at the same time, which makes it incredibly convenient. It's powerful, efficient, and perfect for family cooking. If you want flexibility and top-level performance, this is easily one of the best choices right now. So those were some of the best air fryers you can buy right now. Each option offers something different, depending on your needs and budget. You'll find all the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.